Fake ass pigeons. It's 3 o'clock and we just woke up and showered and stuff, got ready. Again, listen, don't blame us.
Late start to the day.
Late start.
It's the jet lag.
Jet lag and alcohol and stuff. So anyways, we're gonna go to the cathedral, which is right behind the train station. Go inside there, check that out for once, and then maybe go get some food and stuff. And who knows what the hell we're doing today. We have no plans whatsoever. I'll do some quick wiki notes real quick.
Oh, yeah.
This is the Cathedral of St. Peter. It was built in 1248. That's kind of crazy. It's 2004 now. Or 2024.
It's been around forever.
Holy crap.
Is this it?
Yeah. I watched a video before I came. They said that there's on the walls, there's people's like inscriptions when they were here. This is the former Gestapo, then the Third Reich Nazi secret police's headquarters. Now it's a really cool documentation center museum. Highly recommend going and checking it out. I think it was like 3 or 4 floors. Bottom floor was pretty crazy. It was the old prison cells. And then also they had a courtyard where they unfortunately, I think they said hung, right? They hung?
Yeah.
Yeah, hung 400 plus people out in that courtyard. We're walking off our massive burger dinner. It's fucking 5:50. It's Sunday. There probably ain't shit to do. We woke up late as hell. We only woke up 3.5 hours ago, so we're trying to figure out something to do. We both have to piss like a racehorse. We're trying to find a WC bathroom. A bathroom. And no, it's men.
No, the MC is men.
No, it's WC. WC's both. It's both WC. It just means the restroom.
Both.
Yeah.
Okay.
But we're just trying to find a fucking bathroom first, and then drain the snake a little bit, and then find something to do. So we'll let you know.
Yes, I have no air tags. I didn't think that smartly and far enough in advance to get it. I should have. Because it would have been nice to at least know where it's at. Even if they don't tell me, like, okay, it's in Europe, it's in London still, or it's in frickin' Cologne.
The toilets are clean though. They are very nice.
They're very clean. The toilets are very clean. Last night, I didn't tell anybody. I think I went to the women's restroom. All right, good luck, have fun.
Pros, boys, with pressure. Down, look in the eyes.
Zero spillage. Zero spillage. This is on that. I asked him some important questions. Look, that beer's about to get drunk. Look at the cup, chat. The bee is right there.
Damn, get out of my beer.
He's about to get drunk again. He's gonna go in your beer. He's gonna go in your beer.
Dude, get out of it.
Before he's going in your beer.
Get out of it, please. We are finally leaving the little beer garden that we ended up being there for 2.5 hours, 3 hours. We're feeling pretty good, so we're gonna head home, maybe to another bar. We'll see you then, baby.
What's that, baby?
Baby. Alright, we're gonna get some food now. We're feeling pretty good, but we're trying to get to a donut kebab spot that's open still.
Are we making a left or right?
Straight.
It's in the middle of the fucking street.
Get the fuck out of the street, then.
That's what I'm saying. Which turn left or turn right?
No, we're going fucking straight.
Yeah, I'm following Stan's drunk ass.
Bro, I mean chilling. Look, I'm literally just going through off the mic. We got some doner kebabs. It's hot.
That's spicy good.
Ooh, that's good.
Very good.
Is there what? Fourth? Third?
Third? Yeah.
Doner kebab? It's the hottest one.
By far, the highest.
But I can't stop eating it. It's so good.
Oh la la. 3, right?
I got it. All right, boys. Start of the day. Monday. All right, so today's Monday, my last full day here. Chris went to go get the rental car because we need to drive about an hour and 15 minutes south to the Nürburgring, running I think 4 or 5 laps down there. So heading there today, getting some lunch, get some dinner, and who else knows what happens. So Chris just texted me, got the car, gonna drive back to the hotel and see about parking. Oh, cool. All right, well, so it looks like that's a go. We got the car, so see you guys there. Just stopped by this souvenir shop. Actually really good prices, and the guy was super friendly. He gave me 2 free colognes and 2 postcards, which didn't have to do that, pretty cool, but I'll show you what I got. Hold up, let me put this on the trash can here. I got Mikey and Shane, my sons, my kids, 2 Deutschland soccer balls. My mom a magnet, she likes magnets for her fridges, so it's pretty cool. Her, not fridges, but fridge. But I got my boy Shake a shot glass. Me and Chris were live streaming at one of the beer gardens, and he came and chatted. He was like, yo, get me a shot glass. I collect them, so hook my boy Shake up from the Berg.
Hey, we just got some souvenirs. Got some t-shirts and whatnot.
We're at this beer house. Stuck between getting schnitzel with onion sauce or the schnitzel wiener art. This one's tempting. All right, back to the hotel. We're gonna chill for a bit, take a poopy, and then we're gonna hop in the rental car and go to Nürburgring. So.
Yeah, I know.
Ooh, check the ride out. This is our rental car. It's a Ibiza. This thing is mint.
FR edition too.
Ooh, FR. Fucking right, that's what the edition. God damn. Ooh. Bruh. LEDs, we got a screen, 6-speed manual. What are you rocking, like 2,000 horsepower?
Oh, minimum.
Man.
6 cars and be waiting on you. I gotta come back. Sorry. Like,
the ticket didn't work, so we're stuck at the.
Yeah, we look like the fucking idiot tourists who don't know how to work a ticket machine.
Oh my god. The amount of cars in this parking lot is fucking insane, dude. Look at that VW bus. That thing is sick. Porsche. Dude, my color's right here. Look at this.
That's you?
This is my car. If I could though, mine would be all Miami blue. All Miami blue with black rims and yellow calipers. GT3 RS. Dude, look at the ass on this thing. That's literally a picnic table. Oh, little squeak. Little chirp.
All right, little daddy, go ahead and get it.
Little turbo diesel.
What the fuck is this thing even called? But like, it's very windy. Why is the brake so far? Oh my god, the brake is stiff. What the hell?
Got downside. You're in 7?
Yeah. I'm like, do it. Holy daddy.
Okay, I'm not getting in the car with you now. Why did it just spin out like that? Dude, the tires gotta be done. Okay, the tires gotta be done.
Okay. Take it slow.
I think we need to reset it.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah, see the
Feedback control.
yeah, you just go on a straightaway. It's wobbling.
Yeah, you gotta be really light with it. It's like the feedback thing's actually okay. That'll buck out. There you go.
Dude, it's wobbling.
We got. You know my dome.
Bro.
I might need the XL.
No. I'm pretty sure I'm a small. Oh, that's a good one.
So you're probably medium or large?
Probably medium. That's pretty good.
Yeah, you'll cinch it up.
That's good.
And your instructor will be Terry. He is around. I send him ready as soon as he is ready.
Awesome.
Perfect.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, yeah, we did get the right car.
Yeah.
YZ7164, baby.
That's right. It's a lucky number.
Dude, come, you couldn't have done that out of the car?
Oh, sorry, I didn't have to until I got in the car.
Bruh, we're about to be in here for like 2 hours.
Well, get out in a minute.
God damn. My man tooting in the car. Oh, that stinks.
Oh, I told you.
About to rob some banks. Pull a heist.
I haven't checked or done any driving mode changes. They all got it set up before we set off.
First lap. That was fucking intense. This fucking thing kicked ass. What'd you think? Worth it?
Bucket list checked. They say don't meet your heroes. Definitely meet them for the Nürburgring.
Bro, we had this book, what, 2-3 weeks ago?
Yeah.
We found out yesterday, we f***ed up. We had to rent a car to get here.
Yeah. we almost screwed up royally.
Oh, how exhilarating was that? That was insane.
I've raced before, never in someone else's car that I could beat on,
yeah,
and never on a track that fast. Like,
dude,
we were going fast.
I'm not kidding, it felt like a roller coaster. Some of these the G-forces was insane. All right, let's go. We're gonna hang back our helmets and shit. Fell asleep on the way home, but got the old trusty. We're gonna go back to the room, shower, figure something out to go. We're gonna get something to eat and just chill out. So see you then, boys. Woo! All right, boys, this is our last night together.
Last hoorah, baby.
Last dinner. We're gonna go get hopefully some delicious food, some maybe wine, fancy champagne.
Do a little wine tonight,
maybe,
huh?
I don't know, we'll see.
Wine and dine.
But we're both pretty much exhausted from that.
Long day.
Yeah, long day. But we'll see what happens. You never know, it could turn into another.
One little shot here, a little chug here.
Could turn into another banger, so let's see.
Ow. Just oh, it's recording. Oh, untouchable. It's recording. It's already recording. Hi, we are not totally doing something stupid in this video, in this vlog. Welcome to the team. Welcome to the stream, MikeStan's Vlogs channel. You can also catch us live on twitch.tv/MikeStan for all of your Call of Duty, PUBG, Warzone, and Counter-Strike Go gambling content. Like, comment, subscribe.
It's my last night, my boy Cito.
Cheers.
He doesn't want to drink with me. Crazy.
I mean, don't want to drink. I don't want to drink a Kolsch. Let's go to a bar.
No, we're cool.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
I'm having a nice little.
He's gonna try to call me out.
Nice little walking beer.
As soon as I call him on his BS.
My last night, dude. It's crazy. All right, we're back at the hotel. Gonna call it a night here. My flight got canceled, unfortunately, so I was supposed to leave at 9 a.m. Take the train from Cologne to Frankfurt again, Frankfurt to Philly. However, the train doesn't leave till 2 o'clock now, and then I go to Frankfurt, and then from Frankfurt I got to go to Chicago O'Hare. And from Chicago O'Hare I got to go to Philadelphia. So it's gonna be, I think, an extra 3 to 4 hours of traveling, which is whatever. It is what it is. So tomorrow we plan on waking up, me and Chris are gonna go to the gym. I might go for a run around here, maybe vlog it a little bit, probably chill out, get some lunch with Chris, probably maybe at that doner kebab spot, and then head on home. So the train, plane, automobiles. We'll see you guys later. My last goodbyes.
Peace.
See you, boys. Say bye.
Adios.
Any final words?
Oh, yeah, Germany was dope. Visit if you can. It was awesome.
Heard it here. All right, gonna go to the train station now.